Hi lovely souls, I'm so excited today to be diving into my first air dry clay project. I'm making a magical toadstool mushroom fairy house jar. Thank you so much to all my members and subscribers. You help keep my channel going more than you know. This one is extra special today because it's for my dear friend Kim. It's her birthday. So what have we got? We're going to get started with an easy magical mushroom house, and I started rolling out the clay, and I'm going to show you the process in a second. So I just want to show you Tara's latest gems. She is amazing with fantasy, and she uses clay to create these amazing gifts for people special in her life. Look at these. I just am in awe at her skill. So please get in touch with me if you'd like her contact details and you want to place an order with her. And here is a bloom by our amazing friend Debbie. She is so talented. So today's inspiration was Daisy and Eve, new pals, and we went walking recently, and I just thought, oh my goodness, look at all the mushrooms that are growing at this time of year. And before I knew it, I had clay in my hands. I was thinking, what can I use around the house? And I just wanted to go back to my mud pie days and just play and not really think. So that's what I did. I'm keeping things really simple today. Just a jar, some air dried clay, and a few tools that I stumbled across at home. Tweezers from a cracker, an unused paint applicator brush, a little water, some acrylic paints, a tea towel to keep things tidy and dry and also damp, and some cling film to wrap it up while we work. I just want to say that today is an extra special one because it's for my dear friend Kim. She is such a light in our art community, and she's an absolute genius with resin, and I love challenging her today to clay. We bought clay months ago and said we were going to use it, and so we decided to do a fantasy piece today with clay, and that's all I know. But this one's inspired by her latest trip. She went to New Zealand and Australia, but this is inspired by Hobbiton. It's not really Hobbiton, but it's Hobbiton-esque, I think. What do you think? So I couldn't honestly imagine my journey in life without her, and I appreciate her every single day. She's one of my closest friends. Please check out her channel. I'll put her link for the birthday girl in my description and comments below. So I'm going to put some music on and just enjoy the process as you see me using all sorts of things, from applicators to tweezers, just all sorts of things that I found around the house, and water. So I'm going to put all the things that you need for today in the description, so check that out and enjoy the music and the process, and I shall see you towards the end as the little toadstool is lit up with a candle and this little mushroom house comes to life. Thank you so much for your support, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. It really helps keep my channel going. Thank you. See you soon.
In your eyes, I see a glimpse of light. A new sun is coming up. So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, so come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Don't let go. In your heart, you know you're strong and you're brave enough. It's your time. You were made to fly. Never ever giving up. I know it's gonna happen. These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing. Oh, reached up to the stars and caught a dream. I held it in my hands as I watched it twinkling, and anything felt possible for me. And anything is possible. You just have to believe it enough. Don't give up. Keep your head up, and you just might reach the stars and hold them in your hands. This is your moment to hold them in your hands. 'Cause anything's possible. Life seemed to get harder with every step. The dream that I was holding got dimmer in my hands. But that's when I decided to believe that anything is possible. You just have to believe it enough. Don't give up. Keep your head up, and you just might reach the stars and hold them in your hands. 'Cause this is the moment to hold them in your hands. 'Cause anything's possible. Oh. And anything's possible. Anything's possible. Anything's possible if you just believe. Anything's possible. Anything's possible. Anything's possible if you just believe that anything is possible. You just have to believe it enough. Don't give up. Keep your head up, and you just might reach the stars and hold them in your hands. 'Cause this is your moment to hold them in your hands. 'Cause anything's possible. Oh. Take me down to the river where the peace won't run dry. Gather round at the river where my soul comes to life and I come alive. Freedom, satisfied. Lord, I know you will deliver like you do every time that I come alive. Freedom for my body, soul, and mind. Here at the river where I leave it all behind. At the river, leave it all behind. Back at the river, yeah, leave it all behind. At the river, at the river, I reached up to the stars and caught a dream. I held it in my hands as I watched it twinkling, and anything felt possible for me. And anything is possible. You just have to believe it enough. Don't give up. Keep your head up, and you just might reach the stars and hold them in your hands.
So there we have it, a little mushroom house. So I hope this has inspired you to play with clay. Let your imagination run wild. Just grab some clay and make a little magic of your own. The finishing touches were just such a joy to make, and I found these little characters in a charity shop, which I think I'm going to play with and even try and make one time soon. I'm usually a fluid artist and a resin artist of late, but I just thought I'd try air clay for once, and also just to have a special occasion for my dear friend Kim for her birthday. This is what it lights up in the dark, just like you light our lives up, Kim. You're such a light in our lives though, seriously, and we all appreciate you so much, and I appreciate you in my life, and I love walking on this creative journey with you. So, would you give this a go? Is this something you've tried before? I just loved returning to my mud pie days. That's when all the inspiration started, when I was age 4, and then I had a big old gap in between that and starting to really come out of my creativity, which happened in the last sort of 10 years really, although it's always been around in some form. So please let me know your journey. I love knowing what you're creating, what you're up to, whether you liked clay, whether you'd like to see some more again. I'll be back to my fluid art next week. Thank you so much for joining me. Let's go across to see what Kim's created now for her birthday, and I'm going to put her link in the description and in my comments below. Take care now, and don't forget that your art is a piece of you. Keep shining, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Kim, happy birthday to you. Have the best day and year ever, my beautiful friend.